So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And for today's video is nandito tayo sa bahay ni Sis MG sa labas. And din tanungin natin kung okay ba niyang i-house tour ko kayo sa kanyang bahay. So tingnan niyo. So punta tayo, tanungin natin si Sis MG kung okay ba tayo mag-house tour. Let's go! Darbel! Hi! Thank you! Sis, okay ra mag-house tour sa imong magandang bahay.
Sure.
Welcome to our house. Alright, let's go. Let's get in.
Welcome to our house. Welcome to our house, Tita.
I-house tour natin, guys.
I just wanna see
Hold on. Andyan si Sis MJ, oh. So, okay daw tayo mag-house tour sa kanilang bahay, guys. Ang ganda kasi ng kanilang bahay. And then, so, i-turn around ko yung aking camera para makita niyo. May permission na tayo kay Sis MG. So, i-house tour ko na kayo, guys. So, ito yung kanyang front door, guys. Tingnan nyo yung flowers. Ang ganda. So, ayan. And then, meron silang ito, guys, oh. Glass door. Tama ba yan, sis?
Oh.
Glass door. So, ito yung sa front. So, i-house tour tayo ni Sis MJ, guys. So, si Sis MJ yung mag-house tour sa atin. Hi, sis.
Hi, welcome to our house. This is our simple abode. This is our living room.
Parang linis ng bahay ni Sis MJ, guys. So, tingnan niyo, oh. Ayan.
Dining. This is when you have a big gathering. Here.
Ang ganda ng dining. Tingnan niyo, guys, oh. Ang ganda ng dining.
Our decoration is mainly traditional. Medyo old style, pero quality. We try to, if we can afford to buy, we will wait. Tim would like to buy cheap stuff. If I want something, and Tim said, let's wait, honey.
Let's go to the kitchen of Sis MJ.
It's our kitchen. And this is our breakfast, no? This is where we eat our breakfast. Or most of the time, when we have just 4 of us.
Oh,
Kung
kung-
apat,
Oh, yeah.
I got
Yo.
2 girls and my husband meet there.
Very healthy. Oh, man. So, tingnan nyo yung design nila sa taas.
Lemon. I love lemon. That's
Lemon.
why I planted lemon because I love.
Grabe talaga si Sis MJ.
Basta rin mga bata, medyo kat-kat.
Linis sa kanilang bahay.
Pakita ang kinuod. Pakita
So, ito, guys, pag meron talagang bata, meron talagang mga laruan. Daming laruan.
And this is our
So, dito tayo sa
back porch.
back porch ni Sis MJ. So, balik tayo sa loob. Yay! Pagbalik natin, ito yung makikita natin, yung living room.
Come on, electric.
Living room, tapos dining area.
Mom, these are dining here.
Oh, tingnan niyo si Sis MJ, ang ganda. Tingnan niyo yung picture ni Tim, oh.
Look, I'm playing.
Oh, hala, gwapo kay Stringa, oh. Oh, diba? Your family picture. Wow, nice.
Oh, she's shaking to you. What do you say, Jan?
And this one was Sis MJ.
Show it to you. Show it. Come on.
So pretty. Where?
Show the picture. Show the Sabi.
Yeah, where's your picture?
Mama.
Yeah, that's your mommy. Very pretty.
Okay,
Wow, look at Sis MJ.
Okay.
Oh, who's that one? Who's this one?
Who's this?
Who's this one, sa?
That's Savannah.
Wow, good job.
My sister.
Yeah, so what?
This one.
Oh, look, Maria.
Who's this?
So ito yung magandang bahay ni Maria.
Me when I was little.
That's you? Wow,
That's
so
a picture
pretty.
of their baby blessing. Mom, that's
So,
me.
that's
When I
Maria.
was little kid, I grew up
Wow.
into a baby.
Oh, andyan na si Maria. Oh, see?
If I'm
Tingnan niyo dito, guys, oh.
But I like to be like.
Ayan. And Savi is here.
Your mama showing toys.
Sav, say hi.
Mahihain ka siya.
Mahiyain si Savi. So, Sis MJ has two girls na napakaganda. Andre room, Sis
Makalat.
MG.
These are master's
Master. Wow, ang ganda ng kanilang master's bedroom. Let's go in. Okay na masulod, sis?
Oh, ito. Healthy food na.
Wow, tingnan nyo.
Look at the plants.
Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda ng plants. Lagi, unsa man ano pag-alaga, sis?
Rice water.
No?
Basta magkuhan ko rice, mahugasan ako, isip na ko.
Iniinitan
Save na ko ang water.
Tarong nga na ito video na ilang rooms guys. Ang ganda. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda ng kanilang bahay, guys.
Muli akong
O, tingnan niya.
master's bathroom.
Bathroom. Hello, ka nice. Oh, di ba? Ang laki na kanilang bathtub. Lucky ba yan na siya nga plant?
Oh, it's snake plants.
Tanaw.
Do you wanna show
Yeah,
me
very
bathroom,
nice.
bedroom?
You wanna show your bedroom?
Bedroom is
So, Mar-
messy.
It's fine. So, Maria gonna show us their bedroom.
Oh, good.
Oh, what is this one?
That's the laundry.
Laundry. Okay, let's go to Maria and Savi's bedroom.
The bedroom is Filipino style. When they sleep, and the sheets is in the washing. So what?
Oh, cute. Ano, oh, ito na. Tingnan nyo, guys.
Nakakita na.
Hala, very koan, Jude ba? Organized talaga ni Sis Injo. Tingnan nyo yung mirror.
No, kalat ilang. Basta may bata. But they try their best to.
Wow!
Come on, kabay na punta.
Ang ganda!
Let's go to our guest restroom.
Okay. Oh, nila ilagay, guys. Dito yung pinto pababa sa kanilang garage. Then, dito yung mga jacket nila. Nilagay. And then,
This is the master.
ang ganda talaga ng design ni Sis MGO decoration. So, punta tayo sa...
That's our.
Wow, ang ganda ng kanilang guest room. Uy, meron talaga kayong guest room, sis.
Oh,
Pero tingnan nyo, guys, ha. So, ito yung guest room ni Sis MG, guys. Oh. Ayan yung bed.
pinasok ko yung aloe vera plants. Okay,
Hala.
aloe vera plants ko.
Hoy, kadakuan eh.
Oh.
Kanindot, oy. Tingnan nyo yung aloe vera plants, guys. Looks like kanang sa plastic, pero it's real.
Oh.
Hala, uy, wala siya sis. Kanindot, oy.
Oh, usually that stay in the porch, but it's winter, so.
Baratag nag-hotel, ano yung mga balay, sis?
What
Oh, you have that man diya. Oh, tatong dyan din, no?
I'm trying to read the toy.
So, guys, pag nandito tayo sa bahay ni Sis MG, para tayong nasa hotel. Oh, tingnan niyo yan. Ah. Savi. Oh, andyan si Savi. Then, dito tayo sa guest kaan. Restroom, no?
Bathroom,
dito
kailangan ko
tayo.
siya ka ng shower.
Oh, so that's all lang, guys. Ang ganda ng bahay ni Sis MJ, guys. Tapos ang linis. Kaya sabi ko, tatanungin ko si Sis MJ kung pwede ba tayo mag-house tour sa kanilang bahay. O, tingnan nyo. Oh, ang ganda. Andyan si Sis MJ. Ganda. Thank you, sis. Thank you so much for letting us kanang house tour your house. House tour your house. Andyan si Maria and Savi.
Yeah, what to?
Hindi pa ko tapos. Oh, tingnan nyo yung decoration dyan. Oh. Ayan. Tapos, dito guys. Dito. Ito ay plant ni Sis MG. Real pala ito. Ako hindi talaga ako mabuhayan ng mga tanim sa loob. Tapos, magluto kami nito, guys. Oh.
Filipino corned beef,
Yeah.
our brunch, and snow crab. Nagdala po siya o wood
Pang
pilit,
suman.
pang suman.
Maging mo may bud-bud.
Alright.
Bud-bud. So, ayan, sis MJ, oh.
Ayan na.
Oh, tingnan nyo. Ang kitchen ni sis MJ, ang super linis din.
Claro.
Oh, nandyan pala yung refrigerator ni sis MJ, oh. So, ayan guys. So, thank you all for watching. And then, thank you sis MJ. So, ayan sis MJ, oh.
You're welcome, sis. Thank you for
Yeah.
watching.
Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. So, ayan si Maria and Savi guys. Ito yung parang play area nila. Play table.
Tago tayo ng team kayo. Ba? Naku, man eh.
Ay, tingnan.
na siya.
Cute. Tanawa. Oh.
Nahulog!
Nahulog, guys.
Yung pork. Usually dito yan.
Oh, nahulog.
Kasi pa si Mister.
Oh,
Basta ka nindot siya nga wood sa Pilipinas.
no? So, it's from Philippines guys. Oh. Wow, big fork and spoon. Nice, uy.